Welcome back to another video. On today's video, we're going to be talking about skin barrier. Skin barrier. Okay, skin barrier simply means the epidermal layer of your skin. That outermost, wait, let me pin this. That outermost layer of your skin, the protective layer of your skin, is your skin barrier. This layer of the skin that you can see, feel, and touch is your skin barrier. Okay, so in case you do not know what skin barrier means. Now, when we say skin barrier, you might want to ask, what is the essence of a skin barrier? Now, the skin barrier has a lot of benefits to the body generally. Okay, skin barrier is what protects your body from the toxins in the environment, from the pollutants, from the environmental aggressors. It is this skin that prevents these toxins from entering into your body. It is this same skin barrier that helps to retain moisture in your skin. When we say that someone's skin is not moisturized, it simply means that that person's skin lacks oil. When we say your skin is dehydrated, it means that your skin lacks water. This skin barrier as well helps minimize signs of aging if you keep it healthy. If you keep it what? Healthy. Why? Because this skin barrier is where the ceramides in your skin are produced. The ceramide simply means they are just lipids that are produced on the protective layer of your skin. That is on the epidermal layer of your skin. Now, when your skin lacks lipids simply means oils, okay? They are oils. Now, when your skin lacks these oils, this is where you start noticing signs of aging. That is why you hear some people say, not some people, it is a research that has been proven, okay? Now, that persons who are of dry skin type are at risk of aging faster, and it's simply because of that lack of oil. Yes, persons who have an oily skin tend to age slower. I'm not the person that said it, though. It is a research. It is a research, please, okay? So that is what the skin barrier does. That is why persons who have dry skin are advised to make sure that products they use contain oils, okay, to help with their skin barrier, to make sure that the skin barrier is well nourished. Now, in a situation where you do not care for your skin barrier, in a situation where you just use any product you see in the market, you don't even care to read the ingredient list, you don't even care to read if the product is good for you. That is where you start seeing yourself suffering from skin issues like rashes. Now, it is not just when you use wrong products, so it could also be when you misuse the right products. Take note of this: when you misuse the right products. Now, that is when you start noticing things like rashes, redness, itchiness, rough skin. There are so many signs of a skin barrier damage. That is why you are told that you should make sure that whatever product you are using has a tendency of protecting your skin barrier. Once you damage the protective layer of your skincare products cannot work. Now, another benefit of this skin barrier is that this skin barrier ensures that your products are able to get absorbed into your skin. For better absorption, you have to make sure that the protective layer of your skin, that is your skin barrier, is always healthy. Once it is compromised, you start noticing that your products are not working. That is when you start hearing some people say, I've been using this product, yet it has refused to brighten my skin. I've been using this particular lightening lotion, yet my skin is not even light. I cannot see any positive changes. How healthy is your skin barrier? The problem is not always the product, no? No. It could just be that your skin barrier has been compromised. Now, in a situation where your skin barrier has been compromised, what do? First of all, stop that lightening lotion you are using. Stop it, yes. You see that kojic acid, that your retinol, stop that lotion. Concentrate on restoring your skin barrier. Start looking for products that contain ceramides. Remember what I said earlier, that ceramides ensures that your skin is that your skin barrier is well protected. Okay. Now look for products that contain ceramides, aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, where are they? Glycerin, urea, squalene. All these are skin barrier ingredients. products that contain these ingredients are going to ensure that your skin barrier is intact. Your skin barrier also ensures that there is a balance of oil production. Okay, now because I said that oily skin, according to research, ages slower, does not mean that you now have to bombard your skin with oil. No. After all, persons who have oily skin use products that help to control oil production. You see? So there has to be balance. Now, if you want to have a healthy skin, there has to be a balance between oil and water. I'm going to explain. Every skin needs oil to function. Likewise, water to function. Now, if you have an oily skin and your skin lacks water, you have a dehydrated oily skin. That is where you start seeing your skin producing excess oil. You start producing oil than normal. Your skin can lack oil and still lack water at the same time. There are persons like that. In this situation, you have a dry skin, okay, that is also dehydrated. What do? You start using products that are going to help hydrate and moisturize your skin. Products that contain oils, products that is going to help boost hydration in your skin. This is where balanced oil production comes into place. Because you want to maintain your skin barrier does not mean you should now go and pack products that contain a lot of oils on your skin and then neglect hydration, neglect water. No, make sure that everything is in equilibrium. If it's chemistry, they will say it should be in equilibrium. Water and oil production should be in balance. They should be in equilibrium. Okay? If you want examples of these products, of these skin barrier products, okay, I have a video on how to repair a damaged skin barrier. I'm going to link that video in the description box, okay, so that you can see examples of products that are going to help moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, making sure that your skin is not easily sensitized. When I say sensitized, I mean your skin barrier being damaged. It is a skin condition. A sensitized skin, your skin barrier is already damaged. Okay, so you have to avoid any form of kojic acid, retinol, any form of treatment. Just avoid it and concentrate on hydration, on moisturizing your skin. So if you want these products, I'm going to leave a link of the video I already made on how to repair a damaged skin barrier. Now, before I forget, a damaged skin barrier does not only mean a situation where you bleached. It is not only persons who bleached that must have damaged their skin. No. If you use your Kojie soap wrongly, now I made a video where I talked about how I misused my Kojie soap, but I still restored my skin barrier by stopping that product. Okay, when you use a salicylic acid toner every day, that's your Neutrogena Fight and Faith toner. That's your Face Fact salicylic acid toner. That's your Croton's salicylic acid serum. Some persons don't know that when you use this kind of product every day, that you are slowly damaging your skin barrier. I'm going to show a picture of when I used my salicylic acid toner. I was using it every day. I was not even using a sunscreen. I'm going to show what my face was like then. So you are slowly damaging your skin barrier. In this case, you're going to realize that no product is going to work. That acne you are trying to treat will refuse to go. That dark spot you are trying to clear will automatically refuse to go. The problem is not the product. The problem is your skin barrier. Fix it first. Fix it first. That is why you will hear many estheticians, dermatologists be like, if you do not have the money to splurge on skincare products, you don't have the money to buy a retinol serum, you don't have money to buy this particular lightening, all these your treatments, and you sincerely want to start your skincare journey and you don't know the products to buy, go and buy a hydrating face wash, a hydrating moisturizer, and a sunscreen. These three are going to make sure that your skin barrier is intact. Then whenever you have the money to splurge on treatments, you can then start introducing your treatments. This is to tell you how important your skin barrier is. So let us be in the know. Now see you in my next video. Okay? Bye.